A contemporary urban retreat in the heart of San Francisco.
Mission Bay meets SoMa meets South Beach. Steps away from everything. Let's go. Enjoy top-tier amenities, including a fitness center,
Club lounge,
extra-large dog park,
and 24-hour attended lobby. From the lively Embarcadero waterfront,
you're just moments away from South Park and the Ferry Building Marketplace. Plus, you're just a short walk away from Oracle Park and other lively night spots such as
Cezanne and 25 Lux. Live the ultimate SF lifestyle.
Contact us to start your real estate journey.